This is the third part of making my homemade powder coating oven. Now got all the wiring done and the control unit from the oven removed, and basically wired in through the back, down along, back through the back, and then obviously down into the back, and then wired into my oven itself. Comes through the back. I've got the double hot plate at the bottom, and I decided to put a separate ring up the top, which will give it some extra heat if push comes to shove and the bottom one isn't warm enough. I've had the oven on, works fine, got it up to 150 degrees. There's also, just in this corner here, I've got the temperature probe, which works alright. Cut out at 150, so I can take it higher and go to 180, 190, 200, whatever I need to go to. I'm cutting a hole just in the side of the actual panels that went back in, the black panels that actually make up the sides of the filing cabinet. I've cut a hole in that, and basically what I'm going to do is hang my bar across the top, and I've got another hole to cut in this side here, which will allow a steel bar to basically hang across the entire top, and I'll be able just to powder coat any of the items and put them inside the oven. I'm going to make up a tray into the bargain and just do the same. I'm going to put it sort of maybe halfway, quarter to halfway up. Might actually put a couple of shelves type thing in it that can remove and remove both sides. There's plenty of slats, and the actual trays themselves are the side panels of the filing cabinet that would allow me to put shelves at different heights. I put the two metal oven heavy steel plates at the bottom, again just to hold the heat, reflect the heat back up a bit. Seems to be working fine, not had any major problems with it. I'll need to make a latch up for the door. I've got the door obviously closes over and seals itself off, makes up the oven itself. Well, the only thing I have found is once I get my latch on, I have a small gap just at the top. There's a slight amount of heat loss from it, but as I say, I had it up to 180 degrees, 150 degrees sorry, and worked fine. May wire, very well wire it in. I've got it wired at the moment just completely to the grill element. Obviously the control panel still turns up to 250, 260, 250, 260, 270, 270, so more than hot enough for doing any powder coating, way too hot. So again, no be any hassles with that. Basically stripped down all the oven, not a lot yet left, pulled all the wires out the back. All that's left in it now is a wiring from the base oven, which obviously isn't required. So what I'll do is I'm going to get rid of that. It's about due to get thrown out. Also tried it, used some of this stuff. I've seen it before, paint removing agent. It's from GavBiz. Absolutely tremendous stuff. I used it on one of the rocker covers, one of the Bob rocker covers that I've got in for restoration. It's actually underneath the Mazda one, but basically it was the black acrylic powder coating that was on the Mazda one, was on the bob cover at the bottom. I basically gave it a spray with some of that powder coating remover, and amazing stuff. It's brought it up absolutely immaculate. What I'll do is I'll run another video of it, actually once I get some more of it, and let you see it working. I've got a big plastic container that I put it in, and basically spray inside of that, and once I've sprayed inside it, leave it there for 20 minutes, go in and the powder coating just peels off. So again, once I've done that, washed, cleaned them all, I'll start using the oven. Once I've done that, I'll post another video. Cheers.